JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic, and interpreted programming language that is commonly used for creating interactive and dynamic web pages. It is a client-side scripting language, which means that it runs in a web browser on the client's computer, rather than on the server. This allows web developers to create dynamic and interactive web pages that can respond to user actions in real time, without requiring the page to reload or communicate with the server. JavaScript is a very popular programming language, and it is used extensively in web development. It can be used to add interactivity and functionality to web pages, as well as to create complex web applications and games. JavaScript is also used in other contexts, such as server-side programming, mobile app development, and desktop application development. JavaScript is a popular programming language used for creating interactive and dynamic web pages. It was created by Brendan Eich in 1995 and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic, and interpreted language, which means that it is easy to learn and use, and it can be executed without the need for a compiler or other software. One of the key features of JavaScript is its ability to run on the client side of a web page, allowing developers to create dynamic and interactive web applications that can respond to user actions in real time. JavaScript can be used to manipulate HTML and CSS, creating dynamic effects such as animations, page transitions, and pop-ups. JavaScript is also used for server-side programming, where it can be used to create web applications and APIs that can process data and respond to requests from clients. It can be used with a wide range of web frameworks and libraries, making it a versatile and powerful tool for web development. In addition to its use in web development, JavaScript is also used in other contexts, such as mobile app development, desktop application development, and game development. It is a versatile and widely used language, making it an important tool for software developers in a variety of fields.